Ground floor plan and first floor plan design 38 feet 6 inch and 35 feet. Ground floor guest bedroom and dining, kitchen, majlis. First floor 4 bedroom, all attached bathroom. You will see this ground floor. So this main entrance and this column and this one column missing here, both side column coming, and this flower box. This is our entrance lobby, 5 feet 10 inch, and this majlis 13 feet 6 inch. This big hall 16 feet 5 inch, and this side 18 feet 11 inch. Our side we have given window, and here this is our guest bedroom 14 feet 8 inch 10 feet 2 inch, and this bathroom 4 feet 6 inch and 6 feet approximate. This wonderful living entrance, this side direct entrance lobby, and here living 12 feet 7 inch and 11 feet 3 inch. This side attached toilet with hall, toilet 3 feet 10 inch 5 feet 5 inch with washroom. This dining 11 feet 8 inch and 10 feet 2 inch. Outside window we have given both side. This kitchen 9 feet by 15 feet 6 inch. This back side entrance for kitchen, this veranda 4 feet 3 inch. And this is our stair for first floor, and we are reaching first floor. This wonderful stair design, this first floor plan, this living 12 feet 7 inch and 11 feet 3 inch. This side bedroom 10 feet 2 inch 11 feet 8 inch, and this bedroom 14 feet 8 inch and 9 feet. Attached bathroom for both separate, one bedroom for both, one bathroom, both bedroom. This 3 feet 2 inch lobby, bathroom size 5 feet 8 inch 4 feet 11 inch. This all we have given window for ventilation, and water closet, shower tray, wash basin also covered. This lobby, this side front elevation side, master bedroom 16 feet 5 inch 13 feet 6 inch. We have given 3D vision window for outside design. In this two window, this side, this attached bathroom 5 feet 5 inch approximate, this side 6 feet, and here common pantry for tea time, coffee time 4 feet 11 inch. This bedroom 14 feet 8 inch 10 feet 2 inch. This is bathroom 4 feet 6 inch. This wonderful floor plan design, first floor plan 4 bedroom, ground floor plan guest bedroom only, and big hall, dining, kitchen, big living, and wonderful stair. This master bedroom balcony, this wonderful design for arch and projection for roof floor design. This ground floor plan and first floor plan. This plan 38 feet 6 inch by 35 feet total size. This plan cover boundary 2 meter 4 side boundary, and front side if more space you can keep for car parking boundary 10 feet 15 feet as per space. A small thing you can arrange, you can revise for your area purpose, for your how much your plot size. This wonderful floor plan design and nice staircase, nice outer window design, this final plan. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.